Wait. Okay.
Yep. Okay. Okay, let's start off by doing some repeat after me. So, woo, 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 keep going. Okay, that's saying. Okay. Here. We're gonna do hippopotamus. And remember, this is where we keep our hands on our bellies and on that hip. Really use your breath. You should feel your stomach coming in and out as you do it. So hippopotamus. Okay, right there. Ready? Go. Hippopotamus. 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 With your hands. Hippopotamus. 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 Okay, let's go up this time. Let's start here. Right there. Okay, ready? Go. Hippopotamus. 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 Couple more. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Last one. Hippopotamus. Yeah. Okay. Now we're going to do. Yeah. So all together, we're gonna sing. We're gonna do one bottle pop, two bottle pop. All together, everybody singing all three verses. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 bottle pop, 2 bottle pop, 3 bottle pop, 4 bottle pop, 5 bottle pop, 6 bottle pop, 7 bottle pop. Stop. What are we missing? Yeah, what are we missing? We're missing, the movements. So I think Miss Brownie had something that she did last hour that I liked more than the numbers. So we're gonna go 1 bottle pop, 2 bottle pop, 3 bottle pop, 4 bottle pop, 5 bottle pop, 6 bottle pop, 7 bottle pop. And then same thing for the other one, fish and chips and vinegar. And then don't put your trash in my backyard. Yeah. Whoa, that was a fun chord that I just made. There we go. All over again. Ready? Go. Sorry. Go. 1 bottle pop, 2 bottle pop, 3 bottle pop, 4 bottle pop, 5 bottle pop, 6 bottle pop, 7 bottle pop. Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar. Fish and chips and vinegar, salt. Don't throw your trash in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your trash in my backyard, my backyard. Slow. Yeah. Okay, so now what's gonna happen is I'm gonna number you off in the groups of 3. So 1, hold your number up whenever I give it to you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. 1, stay on. Let's all come here. Stay on this front row. 2s, second row. 3s, third row. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Oh. Who are my 1s? Who are my 2s? Do you need help getting up there, Sophia?
Why don't we do this? Let's trade numbers.
Yeah.
So, Kira, will you go up to be a 3 up there?
Okay, so Sophia, you're gonna be a 1. Okay, so raise your hand if you're a 1. Raise your hand if you're 2.
Miss Ronnie, will you help them come in?
I'm gonna help them. Yeah,
Cool.
I'm gonna help you.
Okay. 1, 2, ready, go.
One bottle pop, two bottle pop, three bottle pop, four bottle pop, one bottle pop, six bottle pop, seven bottle pop, five bottle pop, eight bottle pop, six bottle pop, three bottle pop, four bottle pop, five bottle pop, six bottle pop, seven bottle pop, finish it just a minute, girl. Run your river, run your summer, don't dirty tracks in my yard, don't bring your trash in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't bring your trash in my backyard, my backyard's full.
We are lost, and that's okay. Let's try it again.
Back row, do you know what you do? You just go through the whole thing and you start it.
Yep.
Got it? And then you guys are gonna, second row, you're gonna come in second.
Yep.
And you're gonna go through the whole thing, which I think you did. Britain, I could tell you were right on. And then we're gonna be third to start it when we go through the whole thing. Yeah?
Oh, I thought you were starting and they were.
Oh, I thought we were doing back row first.
That's what I
Oh, no wonder second row knew what was going on because they were the only ones that were doing it right.
Wow.
Need to be on the same page. Apologies.
Okay. So
What's
back
the plan?
row goes first.
Yes.
Then middle row. Then first row.
Then we're third.
Okay.
Sorry.
Let's try again.
Figured it out.
Ready, go.
One bottle pop, two bottle pop, three bottle pop, four bottle pop, one bottle pop, two bottle pop, three bottle pop, four bottle pop, one bottle pop, six bottle pop, three bottle pop, four bottle pop, five bottle pop, six bottle pop, seven bottle pop. Finish it just a minute, girl. Don't throw your trash in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your trash in my backyard, my backyard, my backyard. Don't throw your trash in my backyard, my backyard's full.
Yeah, much better. Good job, guys. Okay, go back to your seats. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is you're in position 2, by the way. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go through our scale and our arpeggios. So next week, did we decide on a day that we're doing the
Friday.
next Friday? We are going to have our first vocal assessment, and it's gonna be over the scale and arpeggios. So it's you're gonna be able to look at this. You're gonna be able to look at these as well, and we're gonna do it in class all together. So, so yeah, we'll practice this every day, and you'll have to do it with your hand signs as well. So if you aren't like secure on your hand signs, now is the time. We should have been doing it before, but really start getting those in. Yeah? Okay, so let's stay in that same key. Sing do, do. Okay, let's go ahead and do it.
Let's talk about the guys and their modifications.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Can you explain that? 'Cause I don't.
Absolutely. So guys, so my baritones, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna start down here, okay? And you're gonna do do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. They're gonna jump up. Brittany gets it. Then the only thing you're gonna change here, go back down, do do, mi, do, fa, la, fa, do, mi, so, mi, do, so, do. Rather than going do, because you can get there, right? So you're doing it different. You guys do it otherwise. I'll sit here and sing with you.
Let's do it. Hey, voices off, please, so we can go ahead and do it. Thank you. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, si, la, sol, fa, sol, la, si, do. Do, mi, so, mi, do, fa, la, fa. Do, mi, so, mi, do, so, do.
Good job, guys. Okay. Let's do some sight reading. Shall we? Yeah. Okay, so we're still in that same key of F. Does anybody know where F is on the staff? You can raise your hand and tell me. If not, it's okay. Yes, but where else? And the prayers are on me. Yeah. Okay, so first thing I want you to do is do your hand signs and audiate the pitch in your head with the hand signs. And I'll keep a steady beat and we'll go all the way through. Okay? One. What? Oh, right. We have a metronome on this thing.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
So many cool things. Nope, that's
Oh, that's the.
yeah. Ooh, I'll pause it.
It's not pausing.
That's the oh, one more. Nope. Nope. Go over. See the little block looking? Not that. Here. This one. This is an old time metronome. That's what metronome
Yeah.
is.
There's your beat. 1, 2, steady with your hand signs.
Do.
Okay, good. Now, do the same thing, but we're going to speak your solfege now. Okay? 1, 2, ready, go.
Do, re, mi, re. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to sing it. Do you remember where do is? Can you sing do? Good. And then we're on. Sing it. Yeah. Together, sing do and mi. Good job. Okay, all together, we're going to sing this time on your solfege. And I'm going to play your parts with you. Actually, no, I'm not, because it's not loaded. So you're just going to sing.
We'll get it. It'll be good.
1, 2, ready, go.
Do, re, mi, re. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do.
Okay, think about what you missed in your head if you made a mistake. Find it, fix it in your head, and we're going to do it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go.
Do, re, mi, re. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do.
Good job, guys. That was so awesome. And I could hear the harmony is nice and clear. That was beautiful.
Sure wish it would work
Yeah, me too.
played.
Okay, so we've done our sight reading, and we're gonna play panic. And I'm gonna turn off this light so you can see it better.
Use the first switch. I think the first switch does a better job than the second. Yeah. Better.
Okay, so yesterday we learned some of these rhythms. So let's go ahead and go over some of them all together. So this first one up here, how would we count this? This first note, what would we say? 1, and then oh duh, I'm looking at the wrong measure. That's not the one I wanted to do. We're gonna look at this second measure. So what would we write here? You already got it. 1. What about this?
And.
And. So what would we say at this third one?
And.
Another and. Because these 3 notes take up the first 2 beats. So let's keep going. These are easy.
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Let's count it. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 3 and 4. Again, try it again. 1, 2, together this measure. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Yeah, you guys are killing it. Okay, so I feel like you guys can get this one. Let's go down here to number 4. What about these? It's kind of similar, but not the same. So what do we say here?
1 and.
1. And then someone other than Britain, can we say this? What would this be? E, yeah. And then and. So we have 1, E, and. So we're not saying We're leaving out the Yeah. So let's try this first measure here. Okay? 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Try it again. Ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yeah, good job. Okay, so let's try this measure right here. So we have that same thing. We have 1, E, and what we say here? 2, then 3 and you guys can get that last one. Okay, that measure right there. Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. One more time. 1, 2, ready, and go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Oh yeah. Okay. Let me pick up my cap that I dropped and erase the board, and I'll go ahead. Whoa.
I say keep it on. Let's do all 4 lines.
Okay. Yeah. Let's count all 4 lines together. Yep. Put my stove down. Okay. Starting at the top. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 3 and 4. 1, 3, 4. 1 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and a 4 and a stop. Okay, let's try this again. 2. 1 and a 2 and a. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 3 and 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Down here. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and a 4. 3 and 3 and 4 again. 1, 2, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or shoo. Shoo. Yeah, I meant to do that, guys. Okay. I'm going to take this away because I'm not going to give it to you while we do it. What? We're not letting you cheat. No cheaters. Okay. So,
You missed stop.
I did.
I did the bottom.
Hour 2. What?
Then number 4.
Dun, dun, dun.
You guys could have just not said anything.
And you still missed
You
it.
still missed it.
Yay!
I
We're
can't
going all the way to
We
You
got
missed my chunk. Just kidding.
I was about to cry if I missed the third one. Okay. Is it still going?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, so we're going to do this.
Yep.
Okay. So I'm going to set a timer for 20 seconds. Does everybody remember how to play piano?
You just said you were playing.
Yeah.
Oh, is that the equal sign? I'm gonna play. Can I play?
Sure.
Okay. Just figure it out.
Okay.
Forgot how to play.
I think you'll catch on.
You'll pick up real fast.
3, 2, 1. Britain.
Here. Ethan. Braden. Tanner. Braden. Fabiana. Sophia. Britain. Ethan. Braden. Tanner. Sophie. Theo.
It's so big.
Okay.
Forget that.
Okay,
Tanner,
so.
okay. Tanner's gonna pick 3 other people to come up to the board with him.
No. I'll go Ethan and don't. Oh, come on!
Okay, pick a celebrity example off the board that you would like to do.
Oh, wait, hang on. No. Wait.
Oh, yes, we make a spinner.
Tanner gets to spin.
I'm gonna purposely lose. I want to spin.
Voice changer, something. This one right here. Gonna do number 4.
The whole line now.
Yeah,
Wow.
number 5.
Oh, we have to do a whole
Yeah. You don't just get to decide read one measure.
Yeah. Well, actually, that would be.
You want to do number 1? Okay, so here, listen up. So this is what's gonna happen. The people who are not participating up front, I want you to chop. So you're gonna chop the rhythm with it, and you're not gonna count out loud. So that's gonna happen first, and you all are gonna count like normal all together all the way through. But then what's gonna happen is each person's gonna take one measure.
Okay.
Out of this. Make sense?
I'll do this. I call last. Okay, I'll do this one.
How about you just go in order?
Yeah, put yourself in order.
Alright, Ethan, you go first.
Yeah. Okay. First time is all together. We're chopping. What are we chopping what are we chopping up?
Our hand.
You're chopping up your hand?
The rhythm.
That's a little scary. Yeah.
We're gonna make chop a carrot. Bring a
We're
carrot.
gonna chop
I
a carrot.
tried my hand.
We're clapping.
You don't have to hear this. Still get that.
Up here we're clapping and we're speaking the rhythm. You're chopping and not speaking. Okay? Let's give it a metronome for one.
Good morning. It is a good morning. It's still a great day.
Yeah. Okay. Clapping. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, stop. So you're clapping and also speaking the rhythm. Yeah. So remember, the first time we're doing the whole line all together as a group, and then we're going to do it a second time, and that's when you'll go as individuals. Okay? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 3 and 4. 1, 3, 4. 1 and 3, 4. Okay, so now people who are not doing it, as they do their thing individually, you're gonna not chop. You're just gonna listen and see if they're right. And if they're not right, then they're gonna have to go back and they have to come up again. If they get it right, then they're exempt. Got it? Make sense?
What if only 2 of us gets this right?
Then 2 of you are safe, 2 of you gotta do it again. No, it's scary, but it's not. Okay? 1. Okay, we're starting with you, and then you, and then you. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3 and 4. 1, 3, 4. 1 and 3, 4. Okay, so people who were not doing it, do we have any mistakes?
What?
Yeah, can anybody tell me a mistake that was made? Yeah, Kiki.
Scarlett said it right, but she didn't count it right.
Okay, yes.
I would say I think Scarlett had did the same example as measure 2, so she did 2 8 notes instead of a quarter at the end.
Yeah. Okay, there was one more thing that happened. Does anybody know?
I don't think Ethan did his example correctly. I think he did all 4 notes.
Okay, so we have Tanner and Graydon are done. Scarlett and Ethan are still able to be called up. So go sit down and we'll start over.
And so, just so you know, the 2 people with names who cannot be called at this point, if you call them, you were automatically in, is Tanner and Graydon. Good job, fellows. You still have to be the judges, though. What number?
Number 3.
Number 3.
Okay, everything again. Rigmarole race.
Let's go to work.
Yeah, get in the order you want to do it in. Stay in the order.
Yes, Scarlett need one.
Okay. Is everybody okay with where they're at in order? Okay. So remember, now we're chopping. We're chopping something different now. What are we chopping?
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes. We're chopping tomatoes.
I can't see what I'm trying
And
to
we are all together the first time, clapping and
I
singing.
can't see anything.
My anchor friend, can you like go at angles so that we can see the third line? Scoot over that way. And Carrie, you do the same thing, so we can kind of see it. Yeah.
Okay.
Poor Sophia's not able to see that. That's okay. She's gonna get
Okay, all together the first time you all are clapping, you all are chopping. Okay? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now you all are silent and listening for mistakes, and you all are going one at a time, starting with Scarlett.
I'm not. You're first.
Is one of you guys okay with taking the first measure? I think it'll be fine. It's not too hard. I think you got it. Just up. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Oh, you didn't go. I didn't go. No, you didn't go. Let's try it again. And Scarlett, you got it right. Oh, you got it right. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, people in the audience, did we hear any mistakes that time? Okay, so this whole group is gonna be good. They can no longer be called on. No more Kira, no more Kiki, no more Britton, and no more Scarlett. It's getting tricky. Okay. Okay, let me think who I'm gonna call. Okay. Okay, shoot. Kiki. Oh my gosh, I just missed.
Yo.
It's 4 seconds ago. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Almontica.
What? Oh God, it's so hard. Pick Fabiana.
Robbie?
Pavlotica.
Robbie?
Pavlotica.
Peyton? Ethan. Peyton. Ethan.